It's an 8-tier shoe rack shelf. Gonna have to retape it. Looks like part of it opened in shipping, but everything looks like it's in there. Yep, all the pieces. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I opened up the 8-tier shoe rack. So this way we can see that all the parts are accounted for. I didn't want to open it up on the video because then that unboxing gets a little too long. But since this box right here was damaged in the pallet, I wanted to make sure everything was intact and nothing was damaged, and to make sure we have all the pieces. Excuse me. So we do. Everything is accounted for. I counted every single piece. So this way you get a good view of it. I'm going to pack it up. Nothing is damaged. Not one piece is damaged. So the box just got damaged on the outside. Show you this here. That's all the pieces. Has all the directions or instructions. We're going to put it back in the box, pack it nice and protected for the person who buys it. There you go, 8-tier shoe rack.